night we go through the same thing that you want to save it for another. I can't.
So you like that intro, and you want to know how to make it in 5 minutes for free? Well, you're in for a treat today. Well, let's go today to PANZOID.com and learn how to make those flashy, beautiful intros for free. And by the way, all the music in those intros is non-copyrighted music, so you will not get any copyright strike. And this is the landing page of PANZOID.com. It's PANZOID.com. I'm not sponsored by them, but I really like the platform, and I would really love to have you give a try, at least, to the platform and to the creators that they put a lot of work on it. You can sign in, you can sign up, whatever you want, because it's a beautiful community of creators. You can choose any of those videos here to make your own intro. All these templates are editable, so you can edit them. I'm gonna go to the one that I just showed you as an intro, and as you see here, it's blank. It comes like that, just name and all that. I'm skipping through. Usually it comes in this form. You see that? It looks cool, but not that flashy. You click this eye icon here, as you see, it looks like an eye. Then you make a preview of what's it gonna look later. How to edit this one? Well, we go to this icon here. You see some kind of 3D cube which says objects. When that's selected, I usually like to drag this part down so it's easier to see the rest of it. And we want to find text. You can mess around with the rest of it if you want to, but I like to start with the text, and I usually skip the pointer through where I see the whole name, so I see changes in real time. And we go to the group that says name here. From the name, we have the text. Only where it says text is the text you need to edit. The first letter is N, but we want to make Omni, right? We click O, hit Enter. We click the second one, since it's a 3D, we hit O, we hit Enter, and we go to the group number 2 of the text, which is letter A. We will change that to M, and so on, and so on. And here we go. That's your intro done to your name, and you can do it for whatever you want. It's not necessarily for YouTube only. You can make it just for fun to post anywhere you like, an intro with your personalized name. And here's how it's gonna look like.
Every night we go through the same thing that you want to save it for another. I can't.
The same intro that you just saw in the introduction of this video. And how to save this one, let me put that before we move further. How do you save it? Well, you go to this icon here that looks like a download icon. You click it. In here, usually I don't really change the settings because it's been working for me quite well. You just click Start Video Render. Depending on your RAM capacity that you have and your computer's performance, it usually does it pretty fast. Within a minute or two, just be a little bit patient, and it will download the whole video, and you'll be good to go. And that was it. You click download your video, wait for the downloader to start, and the video is yours. Name it whatever you like. I don't know. Let me put test here, and save it. That's all. You can click it right here, and the video is ours. As you see, it was very easy. There's nothing rocket science on it, and it's always free. It will never change, for now at least. And these creators put a lot of work to make these templates. So please, if you don't mind, to show them some love, to just go visit their works. And if you like some of their works, you can drop a comment. You can let them know what you think about them. You have so many choices here. Look, one of them is the Pixar style intro. You have other intros like Warner Brothers. You have so many to choose. The 20th Century Fox and Nickelodeon, Sky. Your imagination is the limit. And I hope you learned something from today's video, and we'll see you next time. This was Omnitech, and See you. Bye.
to say it.